there! We are back inside the greenhouse. Glad you could join Tippy and me for another fun lesson on making symmetric figures and patterns.
It's nice and warm here.
Yes, it is. Here's why, Tippy. By trapping the sun's energy, the greenhouse controls heat and humidity to create the best environment for plants to survive. The entire Earth works in a similar way called the greenhouse effect. We will tell you more in just a bit, but before that, let us see how to make symmetric figures and patterns.
A line of symmetry splits a shape into two halves that are exactly the same. Fold a sheet of paper in half and cut a pattern around it. When we unfold the sheet, the pattern formed is a symmetric pattern. The fold in the center is the line of symmetry.
A square grid helps us to read symmetric patterns more accurately. Let's look at a simple example. The image can be completed to create a symmetric figure. Remember, in a symmetric figure, one half is the mirror image of the other half. So, when we repeat the same pattern on the other half, a symmetric figure is created. The line running through is the line of symmetry.
Let us look at some more examples.
Now, as promised, more about the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a warming of the Earth's surface and the air above it by trapping the heat radiating from the Earth. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth would be too cold for life to exist.
So, the Earth functions like a very big greenhouse that protects us and keeps us warm. Isn't that interesting?
Yes, it is. But because of certain human activities like burning too much fuel, the natural greenhouse effect is changing and causing global warming.
Did you know that more than 1 million species have become extinct due to the damage of our ecosystems caused by global warming?
Friends, some simple actions like carpooling or using a bicycle for short distances can help reduce pollution and the effects of global warming and make the Earth a happier place.
A quick tip on symmetric patterns before we end. Symmetric patterns can be created by creating a mirror image of the same pattern on the reverse side of the line of symmetry. Like this. On a square grid paper, you can create any kind of symmetrical figures and patterns.
If you like to draw, you can combine your art and math and practice some symmetric figures today, while we explore some interesting plants growing inside this greenhouse. See you later.